Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to straighten your wigs. As you can see, this wig looks so bad, but I'm going to share some tips and tricks on how we can revamp it and make it look so nice in a short amount of time. It's for people on the go. I just feel like average person, we don't want to spend so much time on the hair, but we still want it to look straight and nice. I'm going to show you how to do that with a straightener and a hot comb. Okay, so what you want to start off with doing is sectioning off your closure from the rest of the hair, because the closure is going to be the last thing. This can work for people who have bundles, who has a wig, or even a sew-in. So I'm just going to use a clip that I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm just going to use that to secure the small little piece. So we're just going to start on the back. I feel like everyone should start on the back, leave the front for the last part. So what we're going to do on the back of the hair is section off the hair, and I do very big sections, and the reason for that is because we're on the go and we need to finish this. And I'm going to show you a way that your hair can still get straight in big sections, and that's by using a brush. Okay, this brush is going to be our best friend because we're going to comb out our hair before and we're going to comb out our hair after straightening it, and I'm going to show you in this video what exactly I mean. So as you can see, I'm detangling the hair because it was just so naughty, and this is just how it's looking right now after detangling it. It looks already straight from detangling. So we're going to go in with our heat protectant. Use any heat protectant that you want because we're going to be putting heat on this hair, so we need as much protectant, and I'm just using the argan oil heat protectant. I like spraying the spray individually on each section instead of just spraying the entire hair at once, and that's just how it looks. Now we're going to go in with our straightener, and the straightener is going to be turned up to 400 degrees. It's okay, we have heat protectant in our hair, that's fine. So as I'm just showing you, I'm grabbing a large section and I'm just straightening the hair with the straightener. Now, what we're not going to do in this video is use a small comb and a straightener. That's for when you have time. We don't have time, so we're just going to use the brush, and we're just going to use this brush method. Okay, when you have time, you use the comb and the trace method. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just straightening the hair, doing the sections. I'm trying to go as fast, but again, I bring out the brush. I'm going to brush out the hair first, and then I'm going to straighten the hair because the brush is just going to make sure everything is perfect. And then after straightening, we're going to go back in with the brush again and brush out everything. And trust me, it makes the hair super straight, flowy. It's just a really good method to do. As you can see, I straighten the hair and then I'm brushing it out again, and I'm going to be doing this for the entire back section of the hair. And in this video, I'm only using the straightener on the back section of the hair. Well, mainly the straightener is mainly going to be used on the back section of the hair, but as you can see, it looks so good. The hair looks so flowy and straight, and I'm doing the same repetition, and that's what you want to do. Straighten, brush, straighten, brush, straighten. As you can see, the hair looks so flowy and it looks so good, and I probably straightened this under 2 minutes, almost 3 minutes. I straightened this and it looks so good because you want to get a big huge brush like that. I got that brush from the beauty supply store. So now we're going to work on the top of the hair. We want to quickly straighten the back of the hair, and I feel like you should spend most of the time at the front. So say if you have 10 minutes to straighten your hair, you want to put away more time with straightening the front of your hair. So now we're at the closure part, and we're just going to take our time semi, not really too much. We're going to get this closure laying the best as it can be and very flat. We're going to take very small sections because I feel like everyone sees the front of your hair, so you should pay more attention. So I'm going with the hot comb, okay? And the hot comb, oh my god, look at it. It makes the front of the hair look so good. Now, the reason why I love the hot comb for the front of your hair is because it combs your hair and straightens it at the same time. So it literally reduces how much time you spend on your hair in comparison to the straightener, where you would have to straighten it and then comb it and then straighten it. The hot comb does it 2-in-1. It makes your hair look so much more flatter than the straightener, and it just works. If you're on the go and you don't have time, use the hot comb for your frontals and your closures. I wouldn't recommend using the hot comb to straighten your entire hair. It may just not work as much. I feel like the straightener will work best for straightening larger portions of the hair in a short amount of time. But as you can see, the front of the closure looks so straight and good, and on the left side there, that's the straightened hair, and on the right side here, That's not straightened. So as you can see, it looks so flowy. It looks so nice. Not too much shine to it. It doesn't look oily. It doesn't look greasy. None of that. This looks so good, and you can definitely tell the difference. So now we're going on to the right side, and you can also straighten your hair with a straightener. The only thing is, it's just going to take a few more seconds of time, because you're going to have to go in with your comb after to just comb out everything and make sure the hair is still flowing. And you just want to do that for your entire closure. And I don't want anyone to feel like, oh, I need a hot comb. No, use what you have. It's just that when you use the straightener and the comb, you're just going to have to work a little bit more faster than using a hot comb, which is a comb and a straightener in one. So I was trying to figure out, okay, is there a difference between the straightener and the hot comb? They both work very well at straightening the hair. The only thing is, the hot comb just makes your hair lay a little bit more flat. Okay, and it just reduces the time so much more than the straightener. But yeah, this is how it looks. Such a super fast and easy method that I recommend everyone doing when it comes to your wigs, your bundles. As you can see, my front of my hair looks super flat. The back of my hair looks super straight, flowy, and nice. So that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, because I do a lot more hair videos similar to this. And I'll see you in my next video. Au revoir. Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.